Did you know a robot arm can help a doctor make tiny cuts as precise as a millimeter during surgery? Let's dive into how this tech is saving lives. Welcome to Robots Helping Humans, where we explore the incredible real-world impact of robotics in various industries. Today, we're focusing on one of the most transformative areas: healthcare. Imagine a world where the precision of a robot's touch can mean the difference between life and death. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Our story begins with Dr. Emily Carter, a renowned surgeon at St. Mary's Hospital. She's known for her steady hands and quick thinking, but even the best can benefit from assistance. Enter the Da Vinci surgical system, a robot that acts as an extension of Dr. Carter's expertise. This machine has arms equipped with tiny instruments, allowing for surgery through small incisions, significantly reducing recovery time for patients. The conflict? Despite its proven benefits, not everyone is comfortable with robots in surgery. There's a fear of the unknown, a hesitation to trust technology over human skill. But here's where Dr. Carter's journey becomes enlightening. She shares her initial reservations, but also the moment she realized the potential. A case study involves a patient, John, who needed a complex heart surgery. Traditional methods would have been invasive with a long recovery, but with the Da Vinci system, John was back on his feet in record time. The emotional arc comes from the tension of integrating this new technology into traditional practices. There's the initial resistance from the hospital staff, the skepticism from patients, and the pressure on Dr. Carter to prove its worth. But as we delve deeper, we see the robot's precision in action, the reduced trauma to patients, and the overall improvement in surgical outcomes. The aha moment arrives when John, post-surgery, expresses his gratitude not just to Dr. Carter, but to the technology that made his recovery possible. This episode isn't just about the technology, it's about the human element. Dr. Carter, initially hesitant, becomes an advocate, sharing how this robotic assistance has not only made her surgeries more precise, but has also allowed her to focus more on the human aspect of her work, comforting patients, explaining procedures, and providing a more personalized care experience. Takeaway: the integration of robots like the Da Vinci system in healthcare isn't about replacing doctors, but enhancing their abilities. It's about giving them tools to perform better, to reduce human error, and to improve patient outcomes. As we wrap up, remember, robots are not here to take over. They're here to help, to elevate human potential, and to make our world a better, safer place. Join us next time as we explore how robots are making a difference in another sector of our lives. Until then, if you found this enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more real-world applications of robotics. Robots are not just the future, they are the now.